Columbus, it was sunny, 40 degrees. Wind north at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 25 miles an hour. Albany, it was mostly sunny, 43 degrees. Wind north at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 26 miles an hour.
For Thomaston, WXJ31. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in front of the receiver.
Was a test of the National Weather Service. Service emergency warning system for both the Athens transmitter, WXK56, and the Washington Wilkes County transmitter, KPS 506. This test
The warning alarm is an actual emergency weather situation. The warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given quality receiver in perfect working order. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. The warning alarm will normally be activated for receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area:
Rockdale, Tolliver, and Walton.
Clayton, Cobb,
This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system.
Forsyth, Fulton,
We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system.
We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
This hazardous weather.
The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 11 degrees, dew point 19, relative humidity 46%.